Welcome in the video lecture series of operating system. Myself Uday Dikshit from IIT Ayodhya. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important page replacement policy, that is a LRU. As we have already discussed, what is the need of the page replacement policy in our previous video lectures, and in short, you just understand a main memory size is always smaller. Main memory contains the frames and most of the pages are stored into virtual address space. In virtual address space, because that is into the secondary backup, the hard disk, there were a sufficient number of space. So in the concept of the virtual memory management, we just store some pages of a process into the RAM or the main memory into the backend frames, and most of the pages, corresponding pages of a process, store into the virtual address space. A CPU, when want to fetch some page, then that page request is given as a logical address. That page is searched into the page map table. If that page is available into the page map table, and page map table, a page frame number will be only available when in corresponding page the requested page is available. If not, that requested page is not available into the page frames, then a special situation that is known as a page fault occurs. That means requested page of the CPU is not available into the physical memory or the frames, and now the operating system convert from user mode to the system mode. That control goes to the virtual address space, searches the corresponding page, and that corresponding page will be mapped into the physical memory or the frames. If there is a space, there are free frames into the physical frame memory, then corresponding page will easily mapped. But when there are no any backend frame into the physical memory, then what happens? Then we just replace a page frame from the requesting the page. But question is here, which page frame we need to replace? And answer is that is decided by the page replacement policies. There are many page replacement policies, in which some of popular policies are FIFO, first in first out, which I have already told about this in our previous video lectures, and another is optimal policies, optimal page replacement policies, which we will discuss in our next video lectures. And right now we are going to discuss the LRU, least recently used. The main concept of the least recently used page replacement policy is that a requested page will replace the page frame which was least used, or you can say which was the longest backward distances. And look here, we will not search them into the here page frame, but we will search them into the reference string. Try to understand. We are taking some examples and we will solve it. Here there are number of 8 pages into virtual address space. Number of frame is equal to 4 into the main memory. Always remember, the mapping needs only will be there if the number of pages in the virtual address space will be much more than the number of frames. Then we need to map. And these 8 pages are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The maximum page number is what? 7. 0 to 7 means maximum 8 pages. And this is the order of the pages of the CPU request. That means CPU requesting the page in this order, means first 0 number page or 1 number page or 2 number page or 0 number page and so on. Because for executing the corresponding process, CPUs require these pages. That's why CPU is requesting the page. So this is known as a reference string. Reference string means the order of the pages requested by the CPU to fetch to execute. And available number of page frame in the main memory is what? 4. We are just assuming, although there were many frames in the memory and there are much number of pages into the virtual address space, but for example here we have taken only 8 pages into the virtual address space corresponding to a process and number of frame 4 into the memory. And now here page fault star. Page fault I have already discussed what is the page fault. Now let us understand, when a 0 number page is asked by the CPU, now that page is not into the frame, means page fault occurs, means a 0 number page arrived from the virtual address space and mapped into the page frame 1 because all the frames are free right now. Now when 1 number page arrived, also page fault occurs, 1 number mapped here into the page frame 2. Now when page number 2 arrived here, then 0, 1 and 2, then page number 2 is mapped into the frame of 3 and page fault occurs. Page fault occurs. Don't be confused about the page fault occurs means. Page fault occurs means that is a page requested from the virtual address space. The page was not already available. That means the page fault occurs. Now look here, another situation, 0 number page arrived again and 0 number page already available into the page frames. Then this is a special condition and known as a hit. 0, 1, 2. Here hit means 0 number page is requested by the CPU and that page is available into the main memory through, and we access them through page map table and page is fetches. Here it means hit. Now page number 3 arrived. There is no any there is a page fault page frame F4 already available. Then this will map 0, 1, 2 and 3 and page fault occurs. Again look here, page 0 arrived. Page 0 arrived, 0, 1, 2, 3 and this is the hit. Now again look at this is, here you need to understand it. Page number 4 arrived, then what happens? All the frames are filled, no frame is empty right now. Definitely we have to need any one frame from all 4 because we have to map this page number 4 because page 4 requested by the CPU and that must be available into the page frame. So which page will be replaced? Now here page number 0, 1, 2, 3 all 4 pages are available into here. Now we will look from 4, starting from the 4 previous. Now we will search here backward. We will search backward, that means which page number is the longest backward distance, that means least used. Now let's 0, so 0 was immediately used, then 1 was used longest time because 2 is used here, 3 used here, That means longest backward distance of the page number 1 is here. That means the victim page is here 1. Try to understand here. 0 number page, 1 number page, 2 number page, 3 number page. We need to replace any one page from them. Then before starting, we see which page has the longest distance or which page has least used recently. Then page number 1 has least recently. That means here we will replace the page number 1 with page number 4 and rest will be same. Now look here, same thing is happened. Page number 5 arrived. We again look here, page number 0, 4, 2, 3, 4 page available. We will search which page has the longest backward distance. 0 is here, 4 is very near, 2 is here and 3 is here. Here it means from 0, 4, 2, 3 to have the longest distance. That means that is a page fault also. Here means page number 2 will be replaced by 5. Zero, 4, 2, 5 and 3. Now here it is also page fault. And now page number 1 arrived and we have 0, 4, 5 and 3. 0, 4, 5 and 3. Which page will be replaced? Now look here, 5 is very near, 4 is also very near, 0 is very near and longest distance is 3. 5, 4, 0, 3. Now longest distance is what? 3. That means 3 will be replaced. This page number 3 will be replaced. That means this will be the victim page. Means 0, 4, 5 and 1. 3 have the longest distance. Now again it is what? Page fault. Page number 5 arrived here. 5 is already available. 0, 4, 5, 1. This is the page hit. Again page number 2 arrived. Page number 2 arrived. Page number 2 here when arrived, then similarly we need to replace some page and we search backward. Then 5 is a very near, 1 is also very near and 4 is here and 0 have the longest distance. 0 have the longest distance. Then this 0 number page will be replaced by 2. 2, 4, 5, 1. And this is what? Page fault. Again 4 arrived and 4 is already available. 2, 4, 5, 1. This is hit. Again page number 5 arrived. 5 is already available. Then 2, 4, 5, 1 and this is also hit. Again page number 6 arrived. We need to search the longest backward distance. Now 4 is very near, 2 is also very near, 5 is here, 1 has the longest backward distance. This one have the longest backward distance. One have the longest backward distance. That means shift will be mapped here 5, 4, 2. Now This is what? Page fault. And now page number 7. Definitely this need to be replace any one page. We look the backward distance. Now 6 is very near, 5 is also near, 4 is also near. To have the longest distance. To have the longest distance. Because 5, look here, we need to 7, 6 here, 5 here, 4 here, and to have longest distance. That means 7 will be replaced by 2, 7, 4, 5 and 6. This is the page fault also. Now page number 6 arrived. 7, 4, 5, 6, and that is hit. Page number 7 arrived. That is also hit. 7, 4, 5, 6, because 7 already available. Now page number 2 arrived. When page number 2 arrived, which page will be replaced? Now here 7 is very near, 6 is also near, and there are 2, 4 and 5. Then 5 is here and 4 have the longest distance. 4 have the longest distance. So we replace the 4 here. 7, 2, 5, 6, and this is also page fault. This is also page fault. And now the work is completed. Now here, look here, how many hits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of hits is equal to 7 and number of page fault is equal to 11, and hit ratio is equal to number of hit upon total number of pages. That is equal to 7 upon 18. So here we look that in same example we have taken into the FIFO, but there was this number of hit were 7. Number of hit were 8. Here number of hit 7. Most of the hit also depend upon the arrival sequence of the page. One thing, although it is a much more efficient than the FIFO, but it also depend upon the sequence of the page arrived. Second thing, it is a bit complex because here when a page arrived and there is no any frame backend, then it have to look the backward search. Every time when there is a page fault, is need to look backward and search from longest backward distance page number. That takes some time. And assume here is only 18 pages. If there are 180 pages, 100 pages, then that searching takes much tedious, and that will take the CPU time. So this is also disadvantage of this LRU, but it is efficient also for some sequence of the pages. And Now that's all about this video lectures. Thank you for watching video.